see some useful tips and tricks in cabinet vision which can be used in our day-to-day projects. First, we're gonna see how to place a component or a cabinet on an area where there is no wall. For example, in this island for a kitchen, where we use two peninsula walls on either side and provided cabinets on that. But there is a component behind the island which has been placed manually without any wall provision. So let me show how I have done this one. First, for this, we need to let me delete this component so that I can rebuild and show for you. So that now we need to pull out a standard cabinet here. Now just right click, edit shape and draw the lines manually as per your requirement. Now let me offset these lines according to my required depth. I'm providing 4-inch depth here. Once we are done, need to connect all these lines. Before that, I need to delete the existing lines so that it doesn't disturb the current lines. Now let me connect all these lines, because if there is no gap, the cabinet can't be formed. So once we draw the lines, let me check if the lines change to green, the cabinet has been formed. So let me save this shape. The existing cabinet which you pulled will be automatically disappear and the new component has been formed. Now this component can be manually edited. Since this is a customized edition, there will be some overlapping of existing panels and missing of panels. These can be manually added using the new part library, or even the existing parts when it can be copied and pasted here. Hope this tip would be helpful for you to place the cabinet or a component in the area where there is no wall provision. Now let me show another tip where we can use detailing in a wiser way. So let me show how to derive the room names in the text automatically. So once we pull the text here, there is an option called text dialog box will open. In this, we need to click this 3 dots and there is various default formulas available here. For example, let me click the job name. So the formula is automatically placed here. Now the job name has been derived from the job properties area. So whatever the name we change here, it will be automatically reflected here. This tip would be helpful for you when you work on various rooms and various jobs at the same time. So it can save your time instead of copying this text and typing it manually. The same method has been used in creation of title blocks too. What are the title blocks you create here and the name which we provide can be automatically formulated from the available default data. Not only this tip useful for only these two purposes, also it helpful to name the cabinets. For example, if you want to name this cabinet, you can just provide the text option here and also click the cabinet name. So right now this cabinet has named a standard base in automatically reflected here. If you want to change the cabinet name, you can manually go to the cabinet properties and name it. So if you see here, it is automatically reflected. So like this, we can name all the cabinets and save in the catalogs. When you pull out, it will automatically named in the drawings. Hope these two tips would be very helpful for you. Thank you so much.